So we bought a Lenovo Yoga 520 with i7 processor, 128 SSD hard drive, and then 1 terabyte hard drive. I was like charging it because I just bought it a few hours ago last night. I unplugged the cord because it's really charged, and then when I open it, there's a crack sound, and look how easy it crack. You just unplug and it crack right away. I'm not sure what's the problem, but I didn't know that the screen of a brand new laptop will crack right away when you plug and unplug things. Well, barely 12 hours. I bought it around 8 p.m. yesterday, and it's around 2 a.m. now. Lenovo Yoga 520. I'm not sure if they will cover the warranty because I know limited warranty doesn't comes with like this kind of things, only hardware, and screen is not part of hardware. But this is how fast the screen cracks. I just unplug the power, and that's it. It cracks, and it's closed when I unplug it, so I'm not sure what's the problem is. So let's try to open it up and see. I barely set it up. I barely have like things in it. I just set up to what you call this, Firefox and Chrome and emails, and that's about it. So I bought it yesterday, 16. So basically it and it cracks. I'm not sure how good will it be because I plan to use the pen, and this one just touch screen. So barely a day, and this is how it is. I don't know. Let's see. I'm gonna go back to the store tomorrow and see what they will do about this, but we will see. Just for info, I'm not sure if other it is built this way that it easily cracks, but it needs to be sturdy because it's a 360 laptop. You use it as a tablet. How come it cracks right away when you just plug and unplug things? Anyways, I think that's it. There's a big crack like going here. If you touch it, you'll feel the crack like there. Not sure how you see it, but yeah, there is a crack there, very visible, and then like it's like half until here.